Hi everyone, Don Genova here with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. This week we're going to have foods that are good for you and some foods that make you feel good as well. Why not? The first book we're going to start off with is Super Clean Superfoods. Power up your plate, boost your health, 90 nutritious foods, 250 easy ways to enjoy. It's by Fiona Hunter and Caroline Bretherton. And right now you're asking, what is a superfood? Well, according to the authors, a superfood is a food that is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytochemicals, fiber, or healthy fats. They really cover all the different food groups in here. And the one food that I really love, and I was pleasantly surprised to learn that it is a superfood, is fennel. Fennel, traditionally used to aid digestion, contains phytochemicals that soothe your stomach. Fennel may also help reduce high blood pressure. What does a fennel look like? This is a fennel bulb. All right, so kind of looks like a bit of like an alien, I think. These are fronds, and the fronds you can keep to kind of garnish your plate with. But inside here, it's got a mild licorice flavor. Not a strong licorice flavor, but a mild licorice flavor. So what I made with this was a fennel and orange salad, and the citrus notes on the orange along with the licorice notes on the fennel really go well together, and a little bit of olive in there as well and some nice olive oil makes a really refreshing salad. Secondly, we have the Blue Zone Kitchen, 100 recipes to live to 100. So blue zones are places that have a concentration of people who all have lived to at least 100 years old. There are 5 different zones in Canada. There are 5 different zones around the world, including Sardinia, Italy, and even Loma Linda, California. What do those 2 places have in common? They both love walnuts. And so the recipe I chose from here is a spaghetti with walnut pesto. And it's pretty simple. Garlic, parsley, walnuts, pecorino cheese if you want that added in there as well. Toss it with the spaghetti. It's quite delicious. Finally, fun food. This comes from Leon, Happy Fast Food by Rebecca Seal, Jack Burke and John Vincent. Leon is a UK-based restaurant chain. They built up to around 71 different restaurants around the world, but they're based in UK. They're known for their sustainable practices in their restaurants, and they do fun food. Look at that. They do a lot of cookbooks. Look at the fun colors in the cookbooks. And basically the recipe in here is, it's a grilled cheese, but it's a really hopped up grilled cheese using fontina cheese and sage and prosciutto. If you can't find fontina cheese, you could probably use Havarti or a nice Swiss cheese, something like that. But the prosciutto adds some saltiness, and it also adds some real flavor by adding those sage leaves in there. And when you put them in between, the sage leaves crisp up inside, and it's quite delicious. So that's the Leon Happy Fast Food. Hope you're happy, and hope you join me again next week for another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. Remember that you can find all these books at great prices at russellbooks.com or right in downtown Victoria at Russell Books on Fort Street. I'm Don Genova. See you next time.